Today we're gonna make one of my favorite easy breakfasts, and that is ham and cheese biscuits. These are delicious, they're full of protein, they're the perfect on the go or fast breakfast, and they are so simple to make. So let's get started. So first you are going to want to chop up the ham and the cheese. You can use shredded cheese or you can shred your own cheese. I just happen to have cheese slices, and so that is what I used. And I used 4 ounces of cheddar cheese and 4 ounces of ham. You could also use cooked bacon or sausage, and you would just want to cook that first and then let it cool before adding it to the biscuit dough. All right, to make the biscuits, you are going to combine 2 cups of flour with some baking soda, baking powder, salt, and you're going to mix that up. Add some melted and cooled butter and some eggs. You're going to mix those together until a nice soft dough forms. Then you're going to add in your cheese and your ham, and if you want to, you can add green onions. This adds a really nice flavor. And then mix that up together until it's incorporated throughout. Next, spoon on the biscuit dough onto a parchment lined baking sheet. Bake at a 400-degree oven for about 15 to 17 minutes, depending on how big you make them. You can make them as big or as small as you want. Once they have started turning golden brown and they look delicious, take them out of the oven and let them cool before enjoying them. I like to let them cool completely and then pop them in a Ziploc bag and throw them in the freezer. And whenever you want one of these for breakfast or you need something for on the go, you can grab a few of these, pop them in the oven, and let them cook at like 350 for a few minutes until they are cooked through and warm. You can find the blog post with a printable recipe card down below in the description box. Thanks for stopping by. I really hope you enjoy these biscuits. They are delicious and a family favorite.